What makes community at SVSU so close?
I think the fact that SVSU has a smaller campus really helps with the community here. It gives you the opportunity to see the same students in your classes and to see them at the tailgate on Saturday.
You get to see the same people and to see the same professors year after year, and it's just really great to kind of build on those relationships.
The students, the faculty, the staff, they all just create a welcoming environment that makes learning more enjoyable and it makes going here more enjoyable.
This thing called the Battle of the Valleys, is this a big deal around here, or?
Battle of the Valleys is one of the biggest weeks here on campus. If you're really into athletics, you've got the football game. If you're really into service, you have the fundraising, or if you're really just a competitive person, there's stuff going on all week that you can be a part of.
You started your own organization on campus. Tell me about it.
So Pie Club started last May when my friend Kyle, who's also an orientation leader with us, we ate a whole pie in like 10 minutes, and we thought other people probably will want to do this too. Twice during our first year we had fundraisers, we did pie sales, the community service aspect, and then just the fun and eating pie and just using pie puns and just a bunch of randomness was a really good time.
Can you tell me a little bit about the extracurricular activities that you participated in here during your time at SVSU?
I really enjoy being a part of Student Association because I think it's a great place to find what you care about. I joined my first week freshman year, and it was a great jumping off point. I got to meet so many faculty members and like-minded individuals.
I joined the SVSU student newspaper, the Valley Vanguard. Then I also joined the SVSU student alumni organization. It's called Forever Red. I've studied abroad. I'm an economics tutor in the Center for Academic Achievement. And I've dabbled in some other smaller things, but those have been my big involvements here at SVSU.
I know that there's a Dumbledore's Army, which is all about Harry Potter, which sounds like a good, it's pretty cool. There's Encore, which is like singing, mostly singing, a little bit of dancing. It's just cool to see fellow students up there showing off their talents.
SVSU offers a Scribe program, which is a program that teaches you how to do medical charting. So it's kind of like a paid job shadow. I get to go follow the emergency room physician for their entire shift and do their medical charting. It's really amazing.
Tell me about your work at the SVSU Writing Center.
It's such a valuable resource because we can help with anything that students need. So if they're just starting to write their paper, we can help them, or if they're putting those finishing touches on, we can help with that as well.
How has SVSU encouraged you to pursue your goals?
My career goal is to help families and individuals accomplish their financial hopes and dreams, and I want to do that as a financial advisor. The meaningful relationships I've built here has only strengthened that desire to go and do that for a career.
I'm so lucky that I picked this place, and I think that if I would have gone anywhere else, especially somewhere with a bigger population, I think I wouldn't have had those opportunities.